You built a great AI agent. It writes SQL, summarizes documents, automates workflows. Then someone asks it what your company's weekly active users were last week. And it guesses, not because it's dumb, because it has no memory of your world and no hands to reach your live systems. Two standards just appeared to fix both halves. OKF is the memory, MCP is the hands. And in 6 minutes, you'll understand exactly how they click together and the one hidden cost that will burn you if you skip it. The problem has two sides. The knowledge gap, your agent doesn't understand your world, your table names, your metric definitions, how everything joins together. And the access gap, even when it knows what to do, it can't touch anything. It can't query your live database or file a ticket. For years, we patched both badly. Knowledge scattered across wikis and tickets, tools wired up by hand, N models times M services, a brittle, exhausting N times M mesh. OKF solves the knowledge gap. Google Cloud published it in June 2026, and it's almost aggressively boring, just a folder of markdown files. Each file is one concept, a table, a metric, a runbook, an API. At the top, a tiny YAML block, type, title, description, one required field, type, then plain markdown underneath. But here's the field that makes everything click, the resource, URI, a pointer to the actual live thing, the table, the endpoint. The concept describes what it means. The resource says where it lives, and the concepts link to each other with ordinary markdown links. Orders links to customers, customers links to your WAU metric. A flat folder quietly becomes a knowledge graph. Your agent stops rediscovering your world on every request. It reads the graph and it keeps it current. This is exactly what Andrej Karpathy called an LLM wiki, knowledge that compounds. MCP solves the access gap. Anthropic open-sourced it in November 2024. Within 18 months, 97 million SDK downloads a month, 16,000 servers, and every major AI platform, OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, adopted it. The architecture is simple. A host is the AI app you're using, Claude Code, VS Code, Cursor. Inside it, a client holds one dedicated line to a server. A server exposes three things: tools for actions like running a query or creating a ticket, resources for data the agent can read, and prompts, reusable templates. When the agent needs to act, it calls a tool by name. The MCP server runs it for real, hits the live database, calls the live API, and returns a clean, structured result. Before MCP, connecting 10 AI apps to 20 data sources meant 200 custom integrations. With MCP, it's 10 plus 20. 30 implementations. The combinatorial explosion collapses. Here's where it gets powerful. Watch them work together in one motion. You asked for last week's active users. The agent opens the OKF bundle, finds the weekly active users concept, reads the exact join and table names, and grabs the resource URI pointing at your data warehouse. It hands that URI to MCP. MCP runs the live query. The answer comes back correct and current. OKF gave it the meaning. MCP gave it the reach, and they go even deeper. MCP can serve an entire OKF bundle as a resource. Your knowledge and your access on the same connection, the map and the road become one. Now the thing nobody tells you. MCP has a hidden tax, schema bloat. Every server you connect dumps its full tool list into your context window at startup. GitHub's MCP server alone is 55,000 tokens. Connect 3 servers and you've burned 143,000 tokens before your agent typed a single word. On a 200,000 token model, 70% gone on idle. The fix is selective tool disclosure. Only expose the tools relevant to the current task. Don't wire up everything. Wire up what the agent actually needs right now. Here's what the full stack looks like in real teams. Data teams publish their tables and metrics as an OKF bundle. Version controlled, reviewed by humans, changed by pull request. They expose it over MCP. On-call agents read runbooks from OKF, then act through MCP. OKF is the slow layer, durable, curated, versioned. MCP is the fast layer, live, real-time, ephemeral, 2 different cadences, 2 different guarantees. OKF makes the answer correct. MCP makes it current. Together, you get both. That's the AI context stack. OKF is what your agent knows. MCP is what your agent can reach. If this finally made the stack click, subscribe. Dehao breaks down one AI system like this every week. Build, think, ship, and I'll see you in the next one.